Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the cloud deployment models. In the cloud deployment models, we are going to see about the public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. And public cloud. What is a public cloud? Public cloud are owned and operated by third-party cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. These services the service providers make their infrastructure and services available to the general public over the internet. They provide the services at the free of cost. The popular model for organization of all sizes. The key features of the public cloud is high elasticity and scalability, low cost subscription based pricing, range of computing resources and solutions. When to use the public cloud? The public cloud it is suitable for predictable computing needs. If we know the computing needs predictable, we can use the public cloud and applications and services for IT and business operations and handling varying peak demands, software developments and test environment. So these are suitable for using the public cloud. The advantages of public cloud: no capital expenditure required, technical agility and scalability, reduced in-house IT complexity. It is a flexible and affordable pricing, cost agility for lean growth strategies. But the drawbacks for public cloud is lack of cost control, especially for large scale usage, and lowest security because most of the cloud is a free, though data may not be a secured one, are not suitable for sensitive mission critical workloads and minimal technical controls and visibility. Private cloud. So what is a private cloud? In private cloud, it is dedicated cloud solution for a single organization. In public cloud, it is useful for all the user in free of cost or low cost. But private cloud, it is dedicated cloud solution for a single organization. Here, no sharing of cloud computing resources with other organization. Resources may be on-premise or third-party operated, delivered via secure private network, customizable for unique business and security needs. When to use the private cloud? The private cloud best suited for highly regulated industries and government agencies handling sensitive data. An organization requires strong control and security. Large enterprises with advanced data center needs. Those able to invest in high performance and availability technology, best suited cloud is the private cloud. The advantages of private cloud is exclusive and secure environment, customizable security and compliance, scalability without compromising security and performance, reliable high secure layer agreement performance, flexibility to adapt to changing business needs. Here we are going to see the drawbacks of private cloud, that is the limitation: higher cost compared to a public cloud, limited mobile access due to heightened security, and scalability constraints if relying solely on on-premise resources. The last one cloud is a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public cloud and private cloud. What is a hybrid cloud? Is a combination of public and private cloud solution, integrated infrastructure environment, resources shared based on policies, security performance, scalability, cost efficiency. When to use a hybrid cloud? It is suitable for organization with diverse IT requirements, optimizing cloud investments, enhancing security for sensitive data, strategically adapting to market cloud service models. The advantages of hybrid cloud is flexibility, policy-driven deployment, scalability with security, maximum reliability with the multiple data centers, and improved security posture and cost control. The drawbacks of hybrid cloud is challenges in tracking and controlling cost, need for strong compatibility and integration, added complexity in managing mixed cloud architectures, and the BMC cloud pro, in BMC provided the cloud comparison, that is the key benefits and drawbacks of cloud computing types. Public cloud. Private cloud, hybrid cloud. In public cloud, no maintenance costs, high scalability, flexibility, reduced complexity, flexible pricing, agile for innovation. These are the benefits. In private cloud, dedicated, secure, regulation compliant, customizable, high scalability, efficient. For hybrid cloud, policy-driven deployment, high scalability, flexibility, minimal security risk, workload diversity support, high reliability, and improved security. These are the advantages provided by BMC, and now we are going to see the disadvantage, that is drawback. For public cloud, the drawback is potential for high TCO, decreased security and availability, minimal control. For private cloud, expensive with high TCO, minimal mobile access, limiting infrastructure. For hybrid cloud, potential for high TCO, compatibility and integration, and added complexity. Thank you.